Galigtas natin. Si Dote. Duterte. Apa? Maswerte. Pink tayo. Hindi pala dam. Gusto ko yung dam. Dam naman ako eh. Gusto dam! No, where's the dam? Why you take the dam? Here's my... Ay. Drama mo. Okay. Sabi niya. Start. Oo nga. Start na. Oo nga. Start na. Duterte, anong ginagawa mo? Wala, sasama tayo. Same tayo, pink list. What? Kaparehas? Kaparehas?
The market will take place the following morning, and they're not sure they'll make it.
Ang bilis! Duterte, ano na? Sabihin nga natin, guys. Duterte, ano na?
When it's back tight flat,
Duterte, ano
truck
na?
is much more visible.
May record din natin. Ay, naku, Duterte. Ay, naku, nagkakala tayo dito. Walang kwenta.
The cruise,
Tayo, happy birthday.
for some reason,
Ito
they
na,
lifted
ay,
out a shovel,
baby boy.
digging by
Sasa
hand.
tayo, kay baby boy. Carlet, ay nakabata ka, Arich. Kasi okay lang sa maganda sa corner mo. Ay, nako. Muna! Ang psychic. Wow, ang t-shirt. Tulitik. What?
Solidifies the goal.
Nani? Ipalaba ko.
Silla
Anong
thinks
lang
about the
ginipin
trouble,
eh?
but the shovel does not make much of a difference.
Si baby boy, nasisayan lang. What? Hindi kaya? Lab. Ano ba pinagsasabi niyo?
Now,
Shut up na guys, start na. Pink and Lube Mary. Start na. Start. Hoy, di na Halloween green. Tagal. Jelly YouTuber. Kumain ka na. Langawan yun. Sige ah. Di ka ka. Ano yun? Ang ingay mo. Kumain ka nga dito. Ano yung poster? Wow, I hate you. Hindi ako niyasi. Anong gagawin? Hoy, wag kayong magdikit Dikit-dikit ba kayo dyan?
Luma Village and its
tumikit-dikit,
market
oh.
seems unreachable.
Ayan na yung iyo lang. Sige, sige. Ay!
2 kilometers to the west,
Okay, ang bilis.
Pontoon Beach.
Okay, ang bilis. Si
For
Red
those who
Blue daw?
find land too cool,
Sino nag-report?
there is the sea, a
Si
wide
Baby
open
Boy?
horizon, provided they
Ano?
have the courage to face it.
Okay, naboto na namin si Blue. Okay, 2 imposterin mo ang as. Okay, dito tayo. Si Yellow gumagawa siya ng task eh. Imposible si Yellow yun.
Suleiman is the youngest member of the crew.
Galang din mo
At
ano.
14 years old, in principle, he's not
Smash.
allowed to work.
Ay! What too bad. Look at the... Yun! Accept. Thank you. Hirap niya. Sa med. Wow. Help! Shortcut. Okay, dito silang lahat. Dito tayo sa nearby. Guys, sabihin natin sa kanila.
Once they're in open sea, in order to attract fish, the sailors drive away bad spirits.
Okay, si Orange yan, si Orange. Okay. 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 Si Pink and me. No, no. No, no. Parang si Orange. Kabado. 100. Si Orange is kabado 100. Parang si Orange kabado 100. Nagawa mo.
On board, there are only 2 life jackets.
Nagawa
The men
mo.
must take turns sharing.
Ako? Hindi.
So,
Hindi si
once
Green.
again, they appeal to magic. The
Hindi
sailors
si
rub their
Green.
bodies with a
Hindi si
protective
Green, mga
cushion
hindi
made
naman
of
ito
red
nag-iisip. Red sauce. Sauce, I think your sauce. Your sauce. Sauce, I think your sauce.
Navigation
Hindi
is
si
done
Red.
without a compass or a GPS.
Si
Just
Pink
through
yan.
guesswork.
Pink. Pink yun. Pink yun.
After 4 hours at sea, like an oracle, the captain sees
Si
the
Bro, ang
sardines.
kulit niyo.
In reality, he's reading the surface of the ocean. A ripple. Fish are there.
Si White parang pang... Ginago.
Now it's time for Suleiman to prove his worth. He must jump into the water and make as much noise as possible with his hands and feet in order to
Ay, ano pala ako. Wait lang. Mag-ano tayo. Sabihin natin mag... Okay. Okay, wait lang guys. Orange yan. Guys,
Another sailor joins Suleiman.
eh,
If he ever gets tired, he can always cling to his life jacket.
guys, mag-scan ako. Sundan niyo ako. Mag-scan ako. Mag-scan ako. Mag-scan ako.
The noise is supposed to scare the sardines.
Sundan niyo ako. I kick na new si Brown.
In the water for over an hour,
Sino pa si
the 2
Brown?
swimmers are reaching the limits of their
Kikik ko pa yung
strength.
si Pink eh. Skip nga natin to si Pink. Skip na. Follow niyo ako. Follow niyo ako. Scan ako. Okay. Okay. Scan. Scan.
All that work for this. The net contains
Ako.
only a few sardines. On board the boat,
Mag-scan
disappointment.
ako. Sundan niyo ako. Mag-scan ako. Sundan niyo ako.
They must move on.
Ay nako, bilisan
Captain's
niyo.
eye scrutinizes the surface of the ocean. Paid by
Sabi
commission, none of the
Blackpink.
sailors can afford to return empty.
Alam na, muin. Wow, may abot talaga sa akin. Totongan ko to. Kung sino man yun, lagot kayo.
Back in the bush, truckers are still at work. To lighten their truck, they unload
Okay.
an entire load of rice, but nothing works.
Hindi ka na.
Yeah.
but there aren't many rocks around.
Uy!
Silla goes looking for wood.
Baby girl! Ano gagawin natin?
Getting to the market.
Putik-putik si Jelly. Si Jelly parang ano. Wait, Jelly, tumagas ka?
Farmers from the area come and
I can how could
they know how
you?
much they owe the child ranchers like so often.
Ay. Putik na si light green. Putik ka light green. Sana si light green. Okay. Okay, palagi na si Jelly ah. Si Orange. Ay. Oh. Eh, pala si Blue. White patay. Nakita namin si White patay. Naku, galing talaga ni Jelly mag-ano. Wait lang, ay boto yung si Jelly. Hindi nga si
2
Baby
hours later,
girl.
the truck
Si
arrives at
Jelly
the
yan.
market, but they're too late.
No!
The villagers did not wait for them.
Ba't niya
They
pinutos?
went instead.
Oh, wait, si Marunang. Bawak! Bakawek! Careful ka lang, Flo. Ano sabi? Galing nyo. Na mali lang ako na. Jelly, ang good yun!
Only one customer was willing to wait for him, and he's not happy.
Sabi ko lang nga ba, tumatago si Jelly. Wow, natatakot pa talaga to si Jelly. Food pink? Please mo, kasama tayo. Pink, totoo siya. Ha ha
For
ha.
Silla, the bill is even
Uy,
bigger.
ko, si Pink ko
He's
lagi
wasted
nilalawin
2
si
days'
Pink.
worth of fuel, plus
Ito
he has to pay
communication.
the garage to remove the jammed car.
Uy, kayo, pag ako impostor, papatayin ko kayo, kawawa si Pink.
Yay! Nagkatawa sa danit.
Once the wheel is
Kawawa
repaired, Silla
naman.
Bilis
leaves
sa
his
Ninas,
cargo
tapos
of unsold rice.
Bihon. Yung mga kasardinas, oh.
It's the hard law of the road, one that the travelling merchants know all too well.
Anong ginagawa niyo? Mga putek kayo.
Big fishing boat. Fate is
Nakakatawa.
relentless on these
Wala,
vessels.
an imposter. Gusto ka to eh. Putik ka, Jelly. Nainis ako sa'yo.
They've been at sea for 8 hours. It's already the 4th time they've cast their 200-metre-long net and pulled it back in, using only muscle power. A single fish.
Putik sila mga walang kwenta.
The 4th time that Suleiman has jumped into the water.
Mga walang kwenta. Mga walang kwenta. Nakakainis eh. Lang, bye.